Unit 12 Major, Surface Area and Volume. Question 1. Find the surface area of the rectangular prism. A. 1,152 square centimeters. B. 360 square centimeters. C. 720 square centimeters. D. 1,060 square centimeters. Question 2. Find the surface area of the square pyramid. A. 345 square yards. B. 185 square yards. C. 160 square yards. D. 180 square yards. Question 3. Find the volume of a cube with side lengths of 2 3/5 centimeters. Round to the nearest tenth. A. 40.6 cubic centimeters. B. 17.576 cubic centimeters. C. 17.6 cubic centimeters. D. 7.8 cubic centimeters. Question 4. Which shape could you fold on the dashed lines to form a triangular pyramid? Question 5. An aquarium on Roanoke Island is shaped like a square prism. It is 15.2 feet deep, and the base measures 40.7 feet on each side. What is the volume of the aquarium? A. 618.64 cubic feet. B. 1,237.28 cubic feet. C. 25,178.648 cubic feet. D. 9,403.328 cubic feet. Question 6. Which of the following side lengths for the square pyramid would result in a surface area of 180 square centimeters? A. 6 centimeters. B. 15 centimeters. C. 30 centimeters. D. 36 centimeters. Question 7. Donna has a cube shown below. What is the surface area of the cube? Question 8. The rectangular prism below is formed by cubes with side lengths of 1 1/3. What is the volume of the rectangular prism? Write your answer as a mixed number or round to the nearest hundredth. Question 9. A rectangular prism below has edges of 4 inches, 1 1/4 inches, and 2 1/2 inches. How many cubes with side lengths of 1/2 inch would be needed to fill the prism? Question 10. David wants to wrap the shape below with wrapping paper. How much wrapping paper does he need? Round to the nearest tenth. Question 11. A moving truck has a volume of 1,216 cubic feet. The truck is 9.5 feet wide and 8 feet tall. How long is the truck? Question 12. Elaine's room is in the shape of a rectangular prism 12 feet long, 10 feet wide, and 9 feet tall. Elaine paints the 4 walls and the ceiling, but not the floor. How much surface area does Elaine paint? Question 13. Create the net for the following pyramid and use it to calculate the surface area.